business owner, full-time business owner of Lifestyles. Good morning, World Best Endorser of the Year 2019, and nominee of Rising Star in Lifestyles Philippines, and a product of the product. Help me welcome our International Marketing Director, Blanca Remucha.
My testimony. May God be praised forever, and may the Holy Spirit be upon me now and for always. My life before Lifestyles, I was a spa attendant way back 1996. Then I became a massage trainer and a spa manager. I was also into direct selling like Ducky, W. Brown, Avon, and a lot more. I am also a traditional business owner. I have sari-sari store, meron akong bukuhan, small restaurant in Nueva Vizcaya. I have internet cafe and school service here in Lapu-Lapu. But walang nangyayari. I work like a superwoman, but my effort is not enough sa lahat ng mga pangangailangan ng pamilya ko. 2013, when my mom was diagnosed of lymphoma cancer, I said yes to the product, but I said no to the opportunity. But I always ask and pray to God na sana bigyan niya ako ng pagkakataon na makaahon sa kahirapan. Until He answered my plea, March 2017, when I was diagnosed with multiple thyroid nodules, severe migraine, hormonal imbalance, anxiety, depression, dahil sa daming utang, I went to my angel upline, IMD Eleanor Abing, and I asked for an intra. My reason of joining is that I don't have 200,000 for an operation. The next thing I know is isa na pala akong business owner ng Lifestyles, officially May 16 of 2017. The ladder of success is real. Kasi less than a month, naging direct distributor ako. And my first check was 3,779. Less than 3 months, I got promoted to executive director, earning 64,000. After 1 year and 6 months, na-promote ako as national marketing director. And just last October of 2020, I got promoted to international marketing director and got my highest check, more than 500,000. You know, during my NMD promotion, I brought my family to Manila and stay in the condo hotel for 2 days and got to travel in different places. My life, our lives will never be the same when I did the business full time. Kasi yung dati nabubuli ang mga anak ko dahil promissory note lang ang bit-bit nila. Tuwing nag-i-exam, ngayon nakapag-aral na ng nursing ang second child ko. Kung dati kahit entrance ng public beach resort, hirap kami magbayad. But just last September, after na-open yung ibang resort dito mula nung nag-pandemic, I both my children and my apo and my family were able to drive and ride the jet ski, not just 1, but 3. And just recently, I treat my papa in one of the expensive resort as his birthday gift. Nadagdagan na rin ang family ko, di lang family by blood. But I also found my SFO family, my prayer warriors. And every month, nagtatitings naman ako para sa mga church and other charities. Lifestyles give me the opportunity to travel for free, and both local and international. Ang maganda, kasama ko ang asawa ko, business partners ko, downlines and uplines, and of course, my co-lifestylers. And we travel with style. After a year doing the business, I bought my first asset with the help of my mentor uplines, IMD Eleanor Abing and NMD Palaran Abing. My first SUV Suzuki Ertiga. And after 2 years, naka-acquired naman kami ng 2 condominiums. And my downlines din, sobrang sarap pakinggan or paramdaman. Kasi nakapagkaroon na rin sila ng sarili nilang mga cars. The price listing is the personality growth. The person I become. Dito, I become more patient, humble, and I can give more because I earn more and become a better person. During my childhood, I always got rejected. But here, makikita talaga ang kakayahan mo. Kagaya na lang nang na-announce ang pangalan ko as Rising Star nominee just last Wednesday by Sir Paul Kramer. Kaya lahat na mga guest dito, join na kayo. And I can attest that your decision today will definitely change your future. Our salary feed us, but our passive income will buy our dreams. Decide now and have faith. Yung faith na hindi mo alam kung ano mangyari sa'yo, pagpasok mo, ba't pinagpatuloy mo pa rin gaya ng ginawa ko? Folks, yan na ang sagot ng Panginoon sa'yo. Believe it. Open your heart and your mind. Join us. Get instant or instant direct. With that, thank you and good morning. To God be all the glory.